I have some wood. The wood is bay leaf, like the spice, bay leaf spice. Has a crack through it, filled it with resin, and I'm going to turn a bowl out of it, hopefully. Let's get on the lathe. Look, this thing has a wire sticking all the way through it. So when this was on the very small plant, my mother must have planted. Oh, this is from my mother's place, by the way. Yes, so she must have actually tied it to a stake, and it grew up big. It was a huge one, and it goes straight through it. And you know what, it's not affecting the turning that much. So where's the I don't do this much, but my grind I have on this bowl gouge is quite fluted. I don't know how you'd call it, but I like this grind for several reasons. You can cut and you can also scrape. Yeah, which is what I'm doing at the moment. And I thought I might show you what I'm doing to make this look pretty. Get nice little curly shavings. And you have a relatively nice finish. While that's drying, I'm going to give a shout out to my sticker this week. Woodworking wooden things. AU. Awesome little channel, just started up a couple of months ago. Yeah. Oi, I'm trying to talk. Not helping. Right, got all that, dogs? Subscribe, have a look at this guy, check him out. Also does lathe works, started off making rings. I don't know, he just makes some pretty nice stuff. He's just starting out, and yeah, go and give him some love. And I'm going to let this dry a little bit more. The link will be in the description, provided my computer decides to work on me. Anyway, go and check him out. That's it. Look, still got the metal in it. Metal. course, with resin. A little bit more resin. And more resin. Anyway, I'm going to get this off. I'll see you in a second. So everyone, at the end of this video, I have this little bowl made from bay leaf wood. Don't know what the actual name of it is, but the curry leaf, bay leaf, probably many other names. Delicious spicy leaf that makes your curry taste delicious. Well, this is the wood from it. It was quite a delight to turn. It's quite a soft, what I'd call a softwood. In Australia, it's probably probably a maple. If you've turned maple, it's nice. Was able to get nice curly shavings, which I don't get very often. I get it sometimes when I turn Cavalaurel, but when you're turning burls and hardwood and stuff like that, you rarely get it. Anyway, yeah, it's got nice spalting. It's sort of aged nicely. It's got the resin in it. I've filled the voids with the resin. It has the what do you call it? The wire running through it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There? There? I've lost it. There it is. There. I don't know. Anyway, it's there somewhere. Anyway, it's got wire running through it. Which, like I said, this grew in my parents' backyard. And yes, it was connected to a stake. And as it grew up, and then subsequently died, yeah, the wire was still running through it. Anyway, that's me done for a week. I will see you all very soon. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome. Get creative. Because you are all awesome. I will see you all very soon. Here's me for my live edge bay leaf bowl. Bye.